Hello friends, so my name's Chris and I'm going to give you a very quick practical thing that you can do to reduce panic, reduce anxiety, come out of that busy thinking mind and come back into your heart and being. So it's very simple, and it's something that my teacher used to say to me all the time when I first started going to his classes and having sessions, which was, Chris, your attention is in your head. Don't be in your head, be in your heart. Place your attention here in your chest. So this sounds very basic, it sounds very simple, but it's an incredibly helpful and powerful thing to do. So just like I've got my hand on my heart here, I've also got my attention placed in my heart there. So I can take my hands away and my attention is here. Now, when we place attention in the heart here, we might feel some tension or some tightness or some pain, or we might feel some numbness, or we might feel quiet, we might feel emptiness. But have your attention planted here through the day instead of planted here. I remember when I first started hearing this from a teacher, I was like, what the hell do you mean? Like, have attention in your heart, be in your heart instead of in your head. But then I would go for a walk with my dogs and I would practice and I would just have attention here. I would just fill my chest area with attention. I might have been feeling pain, or I might have just been feeling this subtle difference between being here and being in the head. And that's what you need to look out for, because the head, there's an agitation to that energy if there's a lot of thinking and anxiety going on. If you place attention in your heart, the thinking might still be happening, but there might be a subtle difference in the quality of your experience. There might be a subtle quietening. Your experience may become just a little bit quieter when your attention's here in the heart. So you walk around the supermarket or the woods, or you're at work, or you're in bed at night, and instead of having attention here, you just get used to having your attention here. And feeling might start to arise from the heart, because we hold a lot of feeling in the heart. It might start to arise. And if it does, you just stay with the feeling that comes in the heart. Get used to being in this center instead of in this center. Get used to being in this center. Become very intimate with this place. And you can do that now as I'm talking. Have your attention here. And how do you feel? It's so simple. Just place attention here. Fill your heart. You can even feel it at the back of your body. Just placing attention here. Just be here. You can walk around like I'm walking around our studio now. And you can be walking and your attention can still be here. You can be walking your dog and your attention can be here. And it seems like it's not a big deal, this practice, but you wait as the months pass, as the years pass, just this one simple thing, having attention in your heart instead of having attention in your head, can completely change your life in pretty miraculous, incredible, amazing ways. So give it a go and take it on as a new way of being in your heart, living in your heart instead of being in your head and living in your head. Thank you.